Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 3.2, question number 13. So this question is very important for examination. So if given fx is equal to element of matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0 0 1, so that fx into fy is equal to fx plus y. So now solution of this question. So now so that LHS is equal to RHS. So now Fx is equal to given cos x minus sin x and 0, sin x cos x 0 and 0 0 1. This is Fx, and Fy is equal to given same way. So in place of x, so fy, so cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So now we can we can show LHS is equal to RHS. So now taking LHS, Fx into Fy. So now these matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 and 0 0 1, and into another cos y sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So now taking first row and second matrix taking first column, multiply by each corresponding elements, we get new matrix. So cos into cos y, cos x into cos y, and minus sin x into sin y, and plus 0 into 0. And also taking first row and second column in second column, so cos x into sin y minus cos x into sin y minus sin x into cos y, and 0 into 0 plus 0. And also taking first row and third column, cos x into 0, so this is 0, and minus sin x into 0, this is 0, and 0 into 1, this is 0. And taking second row first matrix, and second matrix taking first row, so sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y, and cos x into sin y, plus cos x into sin y, and 0 into 0 0. And also taking first row and second column, we get sin minus sin x minus sin x minus sin x sin y and cos plus cos x cos y and 0 into 0, this is 0, and also second row and third column. So sin x into 0 0 and plus cos x into 0 0 and 0 into 1 0. So now taking third row and first column, so 0 into cos y into 0 plus 0 into sin y 0 and 1 into 0 plus 0, and taking second column and third row, so 0 into minus sin y get 0 and 0 into cos y 0 and 1 into 0 0, and taking third row and third column we get 0 into 0 0 and 0 into 0 plus 0, 1 into 1 plus 1. So this is new matrix we get. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and this is minus common out in bracket, cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, and this is 0. Also sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and this is cos x sin y cos x cos y and minus sin x sin y, and this is 0. Also 0 and 0 1. So now use identity in trigonometry. From trigonometry, so this is cos x plus y. So this is f x into f y is equal to cos x plus y, and also minus sin x plus y. So this is identity, cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, this is sin x plus y, so minus taking, and also cos sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, this is sin x plus y, and also cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, this is cos x plus y, and this is 0 and 0 0 0 1. This is matrix, and now taking RHS, so f x is equal to given matrix cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 and 0 0 1. So now in place of x is equal to x plus y, taking in place of x plus y, so f x plus y is equal to, now replace x plus y and minus sin x plus y and sin x plus y and cos x plus y 0 0 0 1. So this is matrix of x plus y of x. So LHS is equal to RHS. That's all. Now question number 15, find a square minus 5a plus 6i if given matrix elements are 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. So this question is important for exam. So now solution of this question. So now given solution of this question. So a given a is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. So this is element of matrix. So this is a square. A square means a into a. So a for matrix are element 2, 0, 1 and 2, 1, 3 and 1, minus 1, 0. And another matrix are elements 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. So multiply by, so taking first row in first matrix and first column in second matrix. So multiply by each element, so we get 2 into 2. So this is 4, or now 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 and 1 into 1, 1 into 1, and another 2 into 0, 2 into 0 and plus 0 into 1, 0 into 1 and plus 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1. And also taking first row and third column. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 and plus 0 into 3, 0 into 3 and plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0. So also taking second row and first column same way, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. And taking second column and second row, 2 into 0, 2 into 0 and plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 and plus 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1. And taking also third column and second row, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3, 1 into 3 and plus 3 into 0, 3 into 0. And taking third row and first column, so 1 into 2, 1 into 2 and plus, so minus 1 into 1 into 1 into 2 and plus 0 into 1, 0 into 1. First into 2 this and minus 1 into 2 this and 0 into 1 this. Also taking second column, so 1 into 0, 1 into 0 and plus 1 into 0 and minus 1 into 1 and plus 0 into minus 1, 0 into minus 1, and also 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 and 0 into 0. So this is new matrix. So 2 into 2 4 plus 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 0 minus 1 and 2 plus 0 plus 0 and taking 4 plus 2 plus 3 and 0 plus 1 minus 3 and 2 plus 3 plus 0 and 2 minus 2 plus 0 and 0 minus 1 minus 0 and 1 minus 3 plus 0. So now this matrix complete. So 4 plus 1 5 minus 1 and 2. So 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9 and minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 2 2 5 and minus 2 minus 2 this is 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. This is a square. So now this a square minus 5a plus 6i. So a square means now this. So this is 5 minus 1 2 and 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5. This a for matrix element 2 0 1 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 0 and plus 6. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is another matrix. So now solve this. 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2. So this matrix a square right here and minus 5 multiply by each element. So get this is minus 10 0 5 10 5 15 and so 5 minus 5 0 plus 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So now complete matrix. So now we get so 5 minus 10 and plus 6 also minus 1 minus 0 and minus 0 and the 2 minus 5 minus 0 plus 0 and this is plus 0 taking and 9 minus 10 and plus 0 minus 2 taking minus 2 minus 5 and plus 6 taking minus 2 minus 5 and 6 and 5 plus 15 plus minus 15 and plus 0. So 0, 0 minus 5 and plus 0. So now minus 1, this is minus, plus 5 and plus 0, and also taking minus 2, minus 0 and plus 6. Now 5 minus 10, so this is 5 minus 5, minus 5 plus 6, 1, and this is minus 1, and 5, 2 minus 5, this is minus 3, and 9 minus 10, this is minus 1, and 5, 2, 5, say minus 7 plus 6, minus 1, and minus 10, and minus 5 and 4, and this is 4. So this is answer of value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. So this is answer of given question. That's all. Thank you.